Bindi, come here. Bindi, get in here. What are you doing? What are you doing? She's out running around in the pouring rain. See, nothing keeps this little dog down. She's soaking wet. And it's cold rain, too. You need to come in the house. Do you want to? Bindi. She says, man, it's taken away from my playtime. Pouring down rain and she's running around the yard. I told you she liked water. Rebel says, I'm not going out in that. Ooh, listen to the thunder. Ooh, it's thundering. Yay. No, you don't need to go back out. Come down, let's go. She's thinking about it. She says, my toys are out there. I gotta go get my toys. I left Bullwinkle.